In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold in Moomoo. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up the Moomoo app on your phone, and after that you will have to open an account. So in case you don't have an account yet, at the bottom middle it says open account, click on that, and then from here it will take you to another screen where you will have to click open account again at the very bottom. And then from there, in a few seconds, there we go, you'll have to select your tax residence and then proceed with either your SSN or ITIN or with your passport or ID. So you want to click next and just proceed on and continue opening an account. Once you have your account opened up, let me just go back, there we go, you'll have to click on watch lists at the very bottom left. And from here, you want to go to the search box at the very top right, so the search icon. Click on that, and in here what you want to do is type in just the gold. Now when you type in gold, you'll see there's a bunch of different golds over here, but the one that you should be looking at is the one that is fourth on the list. So it says GLD SPDR Gold ETF. This one over here I'm hovering over right now. You want to click on that one, and that is basically the gold essentially, and this is how you can buy it. So you can see the chart and everything, and if you are ready to buy it, what you can do is just click on trade bottom left, so the trade button. It will take you to a page where you can essentially just buy it. So you'll have to put in the amount you would like to buy, and then you'll have to confirm your transaction, and that way you'll be able to buy yourself some gold on Moomoo. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.